Hello students, today we're going to learn about the relationship between pennies, nickels, and dimes. What is the value of each coin? Can you remember? What's the value of a penny? That's right, pennies are worth 1 cent. What is the value of a nickel? Yes, nickels are worth 5 cents. What is the value of a dime? Correct. Dimes are worth 10 cents. Now here I have a set of pennies. We're going to count to see how much money do we have in this set of pennies. Since pennies are worth 1 cent, I just need to count 4 by ones. Okay, are you ready? Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 pennies. So that means I have 10 cents. What other coin is worth 10 cents? That's right, the dime. That means that 10 pennies are equal to 1 dime. 10 pennies have the same value of 1 dime. Let's combine some coins. Okay, here's one way to show 10 cents. We already saw it in the previous slide. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pennies are equal to 10 cents. What is another way we can make 10 cents using nickels and pennies? Another way to make 10 cents using pennies and nickels would be using 1 nickel and 5 pennies. Let's see. A nickel is worth 5 cents. So we're going to add up, starting in 5, we're going to add up the pennies. Are you ready? Count with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When I use 1 nickel and 5 pennies, I also have 10 cents. Now, another way to create 10 cents could be using 2 nickels. What is the value of the nickel? What is the value of each nickel? That's right, they're worth 5 cents. So when I add 5 plus 5, that makes 10. 2 nickels have the same value of 1 dime. All right, now it's your turn to create different combinations using nickels, pennies, and dimes. Show me 2 different ways that you can represent 15 cents using pennies, nickels, and dimes. I want you to show this in your whiteboard or in your notebook. Take a picture of your work and put it in this assignment in Seesaw. Very good. We're gonna try it now with 20 cents. What are some different ways that you can represent 20 cents using pennies, nickels, and dimes? I want you to show me 2 different ways of how to represent 20 cents using pennies, nickels, and dimes. Show me your work in your whiteboard or in your notebook. Take a picture of your work and place it in this assignment in Seesaw. All right, once you're done with 15 cents and 20 cents, I want you to practice this other skill in Seesaw. You're going to complete this paragraph right here using the green tabs, okay? I'm going to read this paragraph for you. It says, This is what coin do we have here? This is a dime. That's right. This is a dime. So you're going to select the dime tab and you're going to move it into the blank space. It has a value of, then you're going to find the value of the coin that is showing here, and you're going to place it in the other space, in the other blank space. An attribute about my coin is, tell me something about that coin. You can talk to me. You can write about the color. You can write about the size of that coin. You can write about the presidents that are shown in that coin. You can write about what's on the tail of the coin. Write something. Write an attribute about this coin. This is the activity you're going to have in CISO. Once you're done with all the activities in this assignment, you can submit it by pressing the green check mark. Well, thank you so much, boys and girls, for your time. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson, and we'll see you on the next time.